Is getting a contractor bid before calling the consultant a good idea? There are many lenders that want you to get a contractor's bid first. But is that the best way for your project? While you certainly can do that, I recommend that the consultant gets out there first. Why? Because they know what the guideline says about what work can and can't be included. The consultant's job is to help you create a scope of work so the contractors are all bidding on the same scope of work. I've done many more 203K loan projects than most consultants, having completed thousands with my boots on the ground. Your consultant is supposed to provide you with an independent bid. Isn't it empowering to have a bid before you get the contractor's bid so you have an idea of the cost before you see their bids? If your consultant requires a contractor's bid before going to see the property, you aren't getting the service HUD intended. Call someone else. Let us hear your thoughts. When you are ready, give us a call 877 207 6565.